Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, today in this video we are going to see from the Honeydew English textbook for the students of class 8 a new poem that we are going to study about. And this is the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat. Here we are going to learn about a cat which is a mysterious cat, okay, which is mystery means रहस्यपूर्ण है जो कि कोई भी इंसान उसके बारे में समझ नहीं सकता है। इतना मिस्ट्री है, इतना हिडन चीज है, हिडन टैलेंट है ये जो कैट के अंदर को किसी के समझ में ही नहीं आता। ओके, लेट अस सी हियर, we'll start that. And here you can take your textbook, and as I read and try to explain to you this poem, or this is a story which is a poem form. Do you have a pet cat? Do you have a pet cat? क्या आपके पास पालतू कैट है? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? क्या आप कभी भी ये कैट के बारे में कुछ अनोखा चीज नोटिस किया है? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. So here it is said that it is not easy to say that all the cats, all the pet animal, all the cat as a pet animal we are keeping at home, and that every cat is mysterious. It is not true, but here the Macavity, that is what we are going to study about, is the one who is very mysterious, and it is so that it is a mysterious cat. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. And here we are going to see what is the thing that makes this Macavity a mysterious cat and a perfect mystery cat. Let us see and read this poem and understand how does it make it a mysterious cat or a perfect mystery cat. You can see the picture of this Macavity, the mysterious cat here. Okay, you can take your textbook and you just open this poem or open this story poem, and we'll just try to study about this mysterious cat Macavity. And my dear students, before that, let me tell you that we keep animals at our house, and they are known as the pet animals, and we keep the pet animals for our different purpose. Yes or no? Sometimes we keep the dog that it will give us the security. Sometimes we keep the cat that also will give us security from the mouse and the rats that enters in our house. We keep the cows in our house as a pet animal so that we can get milk, and other things are there, you know. For different purpose, for different needs, we are keeping the animals at our house as a pet animal. Okay, we do keep, and I hope everybody has a pet animal, at least one. So let us start reading this poem and let us try to understand sentence wise, stanza wise, and line wise. Okay, Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squid's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Okay, so what it is that? Macavity is a mystery cat. Okay, mystery means we cannot understand about the Macavity. Macavity. He is called the hidden paw. और उसको क्या बोला जा रहा है? हिडन पाव बोला जा रहा है कि वो जब भी क्राइम होता है वहां पे नहीं दिखाई देता है, वो वहां से चुप कर निकल जाएगा किसी भी हाल से। और वो जो एक है वो इस प्रकार का मास्टर क्रिमिनल है, मास्टर माइंड है। जब भी कोई कानून बनाया जाता है वो कानून को तोड़ने में वो माहिर है। इस मास्टर क्रिमिनल हु कैन डिफाई द लॉ, और हु कैन डिफाई द लॉ मतलब कानून को तोड़ सकता है। He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. He is the bafflement. Bafflement means puzzle. Okay, puzzle of Scotland. Nobody understands about that. Some of the puzzles are there. We can find out, but we are not able to solve some of the puzzles. Okay, so that is what the Macavity is, like puzzle which cannot be understood, which cannot be solved. The flying squirrel's despair. The flying squirrels, it can fly away or it can go away immediately or all of a sudden. Okay, we can say despair means disappointment, nirasa. Okay, flying squirrel, despair. Whenever it goes, he will do some of the crimes, and when the people will come to find out the criminal, find out the thief, then the Macavity will not be there, not appear. He will be gone away somewhere from the place where there will be some kind of theft or there will be some kind of crime be committed by someone else. For when they reach the scene of crime, for whenever people reach wherever there is a crime done, Macavity is not there, and they will not find out Macavity. Either Macavity is there or no. No, Macavity is gone somewhere and he will disappear there. So that is the master criminal. We can say the Macavity is. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Macavity जैसे कोई भी नहीं है. Let us see. He has broken every human laws. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Okay, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Okay, so now Macavity is no one like Macavity, because Macavity has broken every human laws. Whatever the laws are made by the human being, that is broken by the Macavity, the cat. Okay, and also law of gravity, because Macavity can fly away, it is said. Means go away immediately, all of a sudden, whenever there is crime committed. Okay, and you will not be finding Macavity where he is. His power of levitation, okay, his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. उसका power of levitation जो है, you can see the levitation meaning here in your textbook. Floating in the air without support. Floating in the air without support is levitation. तो उसके पर इस प्रकार का पावर जो है विथआउट सपोर्ट, वो क्या कर सकता है, एयर में भाग सकता है. एयर में भाग सकता है. ओके, और वही चीज ये फकीर को या फिर बड़े इंसान को क्या करेगा, स्टेयर, या फिर वो सिर्फ घूरते रह जाएंगे और Macavity वहां से निकलकर चला जाएगा. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And whenever there is a crime scene, whenever there is a crime done, if you go there and if you look for the Macavity, and he will not be there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. Okay, आप उसको ढूंढ सकते हैं बेसमेंट में, या फिर कोई भी स्पेस में, कोई भी जगह में, या फिर आप उसको एयर में, हवा में भी देख सकते हैं. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. आप इधर उधर देखोगे, इधर उधर ढूंढते रहोगे, लेकिन Macavity आपको कहीं भी दिखाई नहीं देगी. Macavity is a ginger cat. Okay, ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Macavity is a ginger cat. Okay, और वो बहुत लंबी है और बहुत thin है, बहुत पतला सा और लंबा सा है. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Okay, domed. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken. अगर आप उसको कभी पहले देखा है तो आप उसको जान सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसका आंखें जो है वो थोड़ा सा ढुकी हुई है, अंदर है ना, उनके आंखों से थोड़ा सा अंदर गया है. और हमेशा उसका आईब्रोज को देखोगे तो वो डीपली लाइंड हुआ है. और लाइंड किस लिए हुआ है कि वो हमेशा कभी ना कभी यार कोई ना कोई चीज के बारे में गहरा सोच में पड़ा रहता है हमेशा. देयरफॉर देयर इज अ डीप लाइन इन इट्स आईब्रो. एंड हिज हेड हाईली डोम्ड. और उसका हेड जो है वो डोम्ड है. डोम्ड मतलब एक छोटा सा हिल जैसे है ऊपर से, है ना. Okay, you can see here the Macavity, the picture of the Macavity, how his eyes are sunken inside and how the head is little domed, है ना, and he is a thin and tall cat. And you can see next stanza. His coat is dirty. His coat is dirty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Okay, अगर आप मैकाविटी को देखोगे, उसका ड्रेस, उसका पहनने का तरीका, और वो जो जब भी जहीं भी देखोगे तो वो किस तरह से देखता है, देखो यहाँ पे हिज कोट इज डस्टी. उसका कोट जो है, उसका ड्रेस जो है वो पूरा डस्टी है, हमेशा डस्टी है. फ्रॉम नेग्लेक्ट. नेग्लेक्ट मीन्स केयरलेसनेस. बिकॉज ऑफ हिज केयरलेसनेस his coat is dirty and fully dirt. Dust is full, okay, or full of dust. His coat is full of dust and dirty. If you see, it is looking something like पूरा गंदा दिखता है. His whiskers are uncombed. His whiskers means hair on the cheeks. Okay, his whiskers are uncombed. उसका hair जो है उसको uncombed, वो कभी भी comb नहीं करता है. He sways. Sways means moves. Okay, he sways his head from side to side. Okay, he moves his head from side to side with movements like a snake. तो जब भी उसका सर जो है, उसका हेड को क्या करता है, हमेशा मूव करता रहता है, इधर उधर देखता रहेगा हमेशा, जैसे कि एक स्नेक जैसे दिखता है. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. अगर आप उसको देखोगे कि हाँ अभी ये जो मैकाविटी है वो सो गया है, लेकिन वो सोया नहीं होता है, वो हमेशा वाइड अवेक रहता है, हमेशा जागरूक रहता है. ओके, हमेशा एक्टिव रहता है. मैकाविटी देयर इज नो वन लाइक मैकाविटी, फॉर ही इज ए फाइंड इन feline shape. Okay, feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in a square, but when a crime discovered, मैकाविटी is not there. तो आप अगर मैकाविटी के बारे में बात करोगे तो there is no मैकाविटी like anyone, या फिर मैकाविटी जैसे कोई भी नहीं है. For he is a fine, or he is a find in feline. Feline means looking like a cat. Okay, looking like a cat shape. A monster. He is a monster or devil, giant. Okay, or depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. Moral corruption में माहिर है वो. Moral corruption करने में वो बहुत माहिर है. और मैकाविटी जैसे कोई भी नहीं है, और मैकाविटी को पकड़ना इतना आसान नहीं. You may meet him in a by street. आप अगर मैकाविटी के बारे में बात करोगे, if you want to meet him, meet the मैकाविटी, then you can meet the मैकाविटी in the by street or in the junctions. You can meet him. You may see him in a square, or you may see him in a square or in a space. Okay, in the place or roundabout. Okay, square means a roundabout, a place. But when a crime is discovered, then मैकाविटी is not there. लेकिन जब भी कोई भी क्राइम का डिस्कवर किया जाता है, जब भी कहीं पे क्राइम होता है, वहां पे मैकाविटी आपको नहीं मिलने वाली. और बाकी की जगह में आप देख सकते हैं, लेकिन क्राइम की जगह में आप मैकाविटी को कभी भी नहीं पा सकते. ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस पोएम मैकाविटी द मिस्टीरियस कैट. एंड हियर फॉर योर होमवर्क यू हैव टू write down the rhyming words. Okay, your homework is writing the rhyming words in your notebook. Okay, and that is your homework. And in the next video we will see the question and answer of this lesson, मैकाविटी the mysterious cat. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye, and meet you again in the next video with the question and answer of this lesson.